Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a countdown timer. It will restart automatically by itself in a Webflow. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So as you can see on my screen, here is the HTML code. Just you need to paste this code. I will give you in a description below. And after that, you can change font size from here, and you can change the background as well. I will recommend you to change only this and remove this line. So it will just use only one color. If you need to know how to make it gradient, let me know in the description below. After that, here from here you can change font size, like this font size actually, and you can change the days, minutes, hour according to yourself. After that, you can change, make it to 30 minutes, and I have done for like a 60 minute or 1 hour, or you can make it to a 30 minute or anything you want, right? After that, you need to close and save, and then you have just need to publish it. After publishing it, you can see this timer. It will restart after 1 hour, as you can see. So that's it for a video. So if you have any doubt, let me know, comment below. And if you want to know how to make a gradient background, comment below, and see you in the next video.